Hello, my name is Jeff Bell. I'm president of Precision Finishing, and we're just moved up here to Quakertown, and we're involved with the metal finishing industry. We provide contract services for people. We sell equipment, and we manufacture chemistry. We've been involved with QMB probably for about 15 years, and originally we got involved with them with another project that my brother and I got involved with as far as developing an assisted living facility. We had a number of people that came out to give us some quotes. QMB came out, they were very aggressive, easy to work with, and we've developed a relationship with assisted living facilities. That success was very good for both companies. Really showed us what a family business like ourselves can work with a local bank. Some of the larger banks we were working with before, we just weren't getting responses, and Tom Klee was very good. It was easy to work with, and we've been working with Tom Klee for day one. We haven't changed from one account manager to another account manager, which is very important. So Tom, over that period of time, has been able to understand what our thought process is, how we run our business, knows my brother, knows the whole facility, knows the whole business and our family that's here. And I think most importantly, they sit down and they listen to what you're trying to get to. It's not a cookie cutter type thing. Not all deals are cookie cutter types. They're a bank that you're going to be able to work with. They don't put you in a box and say this is this and this and say if you don't fit in that box, we can't do business with you. And really that's why they make it so much easier, because they truly understand how we work and want to help us out. So that is why that 15 years sounds like a long time, but hopefully it's going to be another 15 years. We bank with QMB because our business is their business,